Well, we've been working for a while. Oh, hang on. Okay, I see something. Let's check it out. Okay, so this looks quite clean from outside. Okay, so the wheels are alloy. The body looks good actually, not too bad. The back as well. Everything looks okay. Alright, so let's arrange for a test drive and see if we like it on the road. Okay, while we're going there, let's check out this Golf R. Looks amazing. Right, so let's keep going. We're going to test drive the car and see if it actually is what we're looking for. So ideally, we just need a small project car runaround that we can do up and hopefully get it to the level where we're happy with it. So let's keep going. I think this is the one, but obviously this is pending a test drive. These cars, they look really nice from outside, but yeah, sometimes when you get inside then you get shocked. So this is ready for test drive. Let's go. I'll tell you when I come back. Well, test drive didn't go as planned and I'll just leave it at that. So I'll keep going. Hopefully I'll find something nice. Let me go check other cars. I'm now upstairs and this is a nice Audi A1, 200,000 kilometers on the clock. It looks nice from outside, but it's bad news. So I also stayed away from it peacefully. So I'm gonna be looking for another car. So stay tuned for the next episode where we go hunting for a better car.